Hello everyone, today I'll show you how to set up call forwarding on your Samsung Galaxy A15 5G. So first of all, go to your phone application here, make sure that your keypad tab is opened. Now tap on three dots in your top right corner, press settings, scroll down to supplementary services tab, click on it, give it a few seconds to upload, take some time. Now choose your call forwarding section. Here you can choose from four options. So here is the first one, always forward, simply forward all calls, insert the wanted number, so when someone will call you, it will forward to that number. Next one is forward when busy, it will forward your calls when you're busy. Next one is forward when unanswered, so if you won't answer the call, simply set up the number, it will forward to that number. And forward when unreachable, same as that. So that's it. I hope this video helped. Thank you so much and have a great day.